Welcome to our channel. How to connect Juplink EC4-1200 repeater to Juplink router, a full setup guide. Unbox the repeater. Carefully unbox the Juplink EC4-1200 repeater and ensure all components are present: device, power adapter, and manual. Power on the repeater. Plug the repeater into a power socket near your Juplink router. Wait for the power LED to turn solid. Connect to repeater's Wi-Fi. On your phone or laptop, connect to the Wi-Fi network named something like Juplink_XXXX shown on the repeater label. Open the setup page. Open a browser and type 192.168.0.1 or http://ap.setup in the address bar to access the repeater's setup interface. Log into admin panel. Use the default username and password, usually admin/admin, to log into the Juplink repeater settings. Scan for Wi-Fi networks. Click on the repeater mode or Wi-Fi extender option and let it scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Select Juplink router Wi-Fi. Choose your Juplink router's Wi-Fi network from the list and enter its password when prompted. Set repeater SSID. Optional. You can either keep the same network name, SSID, or set a different one to identify the repeater signal easily. Apply and reboot. Click on Apply or Save Settings. The repeater will reboot and connect to your Juplink router. Relocate the repeater. Once connected, unplug and place the repeater halfway between your router and the weak signal area for best coverage. Thank you for watching.